Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Philippines. This is our quick impressions on the new TECNO Camon 30 Premier. This was actually announced a few days ago, and yesterday during their keynote, they actually said that this one has their most advanced camera software and optimizations among all of their latest smartphones. So marami silang nilagay dito ng mga bagong technologies, of course in collaboration with Sony. No? In terms of the specs of the cameras, lahat ng nakita yung camera sa likod is 50 megapixels. And if I'm not mistaken, yung front camera niya is 32 megapixel. The main camera or main sensor rather at the back is the latest Sony IMX890. So kahapon marami silang mga sinabi as well ng mga bagong features niya that really makes this as a standout smartphone competitor against other flagship smartphones with really good camera specifications. Now, despite that, no, I don't think that this is going to be sold at a very high price, just like the other Camon series in the past. No, in the Philippines, no, naging mabenta ang Camon 20, and if you want, you can check out our review of the Camon 20 by Emma. No, you can go and check it out. And we cannot wait for this smartphone to arrive in the Philippines. Now, we do not know yet if they will be bringing to the Philippines the Camon 30 Premier. This one is the Premier version. As you can see, this one has the leather back panel. It has really over-spec'd cameras at the back, no? At meron pang parang red dito. Kind of makes it look like a point-and-shoot camera. Yeah, we do not know if this will be coming to the Philippines yet, but we do hope that it will, especially the Premier version. Apart from the camera specifications, we're also very excited to try this out in terms of gaming. While gaming, on the gaming segment, mas pinopromote nila doon yung POVA series nila, no, saka yung Spark for the Gen Y audience. This one is really geared towards those people who are into content creation and mobile photography, no? In fact, dun nga sa keynote nila kahapon, meron sila dun na video where they put this in a rig, no? And they shot underwater videos and photos, no? In a rig, no? Naka waterproof na rig, no? On the Camon 30 Premier. And I do hope that they will consider bringing this to the Philippines because medyo killer yung mga specs, killer din yung pricing ni Tecno when it comes to smartphones like this. And as you can see, just to give you guys a quick overview of how it looks, no? The sensor alone, the cameras alone, kind of makes it similar to the ones that you can see on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra, no? From the periscope cameras down to the portrait cameras, lens rather, it's just really looking really great, no? Marami sa inyo ang nagtanong, no, kung or nagsabi rather in my video doon sa POVA 6 na they'd rather get na lang the Premier, the TECNO Camon 30 than that. And I totally understand that because hindi naman lahat ay market ng POVA 6. No? So I believe if you do not like the POVA 6 because of its design maybe and choice of specifications and processors, this is something that you might want to consider if it arrives in the Philippines. This is not something that we expect to arrive in the first quarter. They did say that this will arrive in the Philippines, or rather, did say that this will arrive globally in the second quarter of 2024. So we're just hoping for this to arrive very soon as well in the Philippines, kung hindi man Pilipinas yung isa sa mga pinakaunang bansa na dadalhin nila ito. So that's it guys, it's been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!